Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video I am going to show you how to cover your gift box with Dollar Tree vinyl so you can give it a new fresh look. We are going to transform this Christmas gift box and rock it for Valentine's Day, okay? So it's super simple and super easy. All we're going to do again is use Dollar Tree vinyl. All right? With that being said, okay, you guys, before I get started showing you how to use your Dollar Tree vinyl to cover this box, I want to back up a little bit. If you guys need boxes like this, run down to your Dollar General, because they are only 25 cents. So you can stock up on all your boxes, you guys, all different sizes and other things you might find for 25 cents for your Christmas clearance, okay? So everything that's Christmas is 25 cents. I just wanted my boxes. So yeah, if you are interested in these boxes, please go down to your Dollar General